Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya. I'm an esthetician based in Lagos, Nigeria. And in today's video, I want to be doing my makeup. Yes, I'm going to be showing you friendly makeup method for hot weather. So you guys know already, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. And in Nigeria right now, we are not really having our regular, harmattan, and all of that. It's not yet very cold. It's still a lot hot. Although like yesterday it felt cold, but this video is just to show you how I do my makeup for hot weather in my country. Okay, specifically for my country because the sun is out right now and definitely it's hot. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you what I do and how I do my makeup without having so much on my face. Okay, very first thing I would go into, let's move you guys in a little bit. Okay, I think this is better now. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to brush up. I'm going to brush up my brows. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my mirror here. I can't forget the day we met. And after I brush my brows, I'll take this tinted brow gel and use it on my face. I think this is from Debbie Luster. It's from Debbie Luster. Makeup people, you guys know I'm not a makeup person, but I know how to do my own makeup for my own face. Okay, that suits me. So I'm not a makeup person. I don't do makeup for a living. I don't even do my makeup every day. The last time I did makeup was like November something, and that was for my birthday shoot and all of that. That was the last time I did makeup. Even on my birthday, I didn't even make up my face. So you can just imagine that. Definitely just to put the brows in place so that it's not all over the place as you want to, you want to line it and all of that. So I just do that, and then make sure that your pencils are sharpened properly. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one. The name has cleaned off actually. So, but I think it's David, right? So this is in color. I don't think that number 18. Okay, so this is number 18. So I'm going to just sharpen mine now so that it gives me the precise edge that I want, and I'm just going to do that. Sorry guys, let me use my mirror instead. So I just go underneath and draw the line. This one is a little bit I don't know, wine. It's not my exact shade. I don't want the usual done, like seriously done brows. I don't want that. I just want it to appear like I have fuller brows, and that's basically what I'm trying to achieve here right now. Okay, so is that better now? All right, so now let's go over to the other side. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless. Make sure that you're also applying your sunscreen, even if you're going to be on makeup. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in this shade. I have no idea what shade this is. Okay, girl, now to just line out a little too light for my brows or how I want it to look. But anyways, yeah, changing it to using Fawn. Still the same concealer, but I'm going to be using it in Fawn. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool. Been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. Now everything is looking better. So now let's go into using concealer. I'm going to use the concealer underneath my eye. I'm going to be using the Fawn actually. I'm not going to apply too much. It's just a tad bit. I think I'm just going to apply this on top also, just to give some kind of illusion. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit a little bit, and then I'm just going to spread this. So while we're waiting for the concealer to just do its thing, I'm just going to go in to my lip. Innocence. This is the color of innocence, if in case you're looking for something to use. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. I don't know if it's this one I want to use or another one. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. So I'm going to use this lip. This is a shimmer lip gloss. This is Paula's Beauty glossy lip. It is in Soma. So I'll just use that on top. So guys, my lip is all done now. My lip is all done. I'm not using any foundation for this whole look. Okay, so I'm going to use this now to just do my contour. This is Toast. This is Toast. Okay, so I'm just going to get a brush. So I don't think it is showing so much as I want it to. Okay, so here's my mirror. Please, darkness around here. And guys, this is not hyperpigmentation. This is literally how my face is. I just have that black pigment by that side of my face. I have no idea why I have it. So anyways, I'm done with that. I'm going to go in now to blend out my concealer. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I don't want to apply anything on this side of my nose just because of that stuff there. So, but I'm going to definitely do contouring on my nose just so it has a smaller effect. But anyway, just keep watching me. You see what I do at the end of the day. So now I'm done applying that. So I'm just going to go into my Zickel. Okay, so focus please. I'm going to go into my Zickel powder palette. And okay, for my under eye, I'm going to be using this one. This one here. That's what I'm going to use underneath here. And also my lid. This is just for a very casual outing, like you want to be on makeup to run errands or to just hang out with friends. This is a very not so serious makeup per se. So I'm just going to apply that everywhere. So, and then for my nose, I'm going to get this kind of brush. Okay, I'm going to use this brush now and dip it into cappuccino. This, sorry, I'm going to dip it into cappuccino. Okay, so that I can outline my nose area. So I'm going to take this from up here, my brow. Sorry, let's just that a little bit. Let me take this up. Now I'm also going to go in to define my contour. So I'm going to be using this mirror. Oh, please focus. I'm going to be using this. I have no idea why it's not focusing. I'm going to be using this here with this kind of brush. You can see how it is, right? So I'm going to use that now to make that whole contour stuff more visible. Okay, so I'm going to take this round also. So I'm going to go in with my powder now and take this shade. I'm going to use this shade here and just draw out or highlight. Okay, so now we've gotten to this point of the makeup. I'm going to use my powder brush to just go around my face now. Now I'm going to be using my black eyeliner to line my eye. What's the name of the mascara? Something Italian Duplex 2-step waterproof mascara. I don't know what they mean like 2-step. Is there another step? I've actually not used this. Oh, I see. There is another step. So anyways, I'm going to be using my I would actually just put some color to the corner of my eye. Back then, I used to really love this look. Like, this was my go-to makeup look. I don't joke with it. But I noticed that I've left it alone ever since I stopped kind of like doing makeup. I'll just use the rest to put on those areas. Okay. Just to make it stand out more. And then I'm going to go into, let me show you guys. This is the one I used for the corner of my eye, and now I'm going to go into this one to just, you know, go all over, or go into with the brown, or going with the brown. That's this brown. This brown. I'll go in with the brown to just walk into my eye corner here, just so that okay, you see that. Next thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to be doing that with my powder brush, I will go into which one should I use now? Okay, let's just mix up colors, and I want to use it for my blush. I'll mix this one, this orange, this burnt orange, and this other orange. I just mix everything here basically, and let's see how it appears on my face. Honestly, my nose already looks like I have what they call it on, so it's not going to be weird. So we're done now with that. I'm just going to apply powder to it a little bit somewhere, some areas, so that it looks more alive. So if there's any other thing you want to apply, maybe you want to apply highlighter. I don't know if I really want to have highlighter right now. Let's just try. Which one should I use? I don't really want something very shouty at the moment, so let's just do this. I'm going to use is this Fix Me Up by Kiss Beauty rose water. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. I honestly love this because of the petals inside, so I'm just going to do that. That feels very refreshing. Basically done. How do I look? guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked something. I hope you enjoyed yourself, because I definitely enjoyed myself doing all of this, because honestly, I didn't even think I was going to be filming this kind of video today, and I did, and I'm looking amazing. This is a very, anybody can do this makeup. I didn't use a foundation, and yeah, that's it guys. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.